Hey guys, what's going on? It's YoAnty. I have a brand new ThreadBeast clothing unboxing. I've done an unboxing in the past. I have a brand new package here with a whole new set of clothes, so I'm going to go ahead and crack it open. If you don't know what ThreadBeast is, it's really cool. It's great for people who don't like to go to the mall and shop for themselves or kind of want like a personal shopper. ThreadBeast will do that all for you. You go onto their website, you browse their site, you select, what your style is, what brands you're into, your height, your weight, and then they'll select clothing for you that they think best suits your style. This is great for people who just don't want to go out and shopping, and you get like up to a $250 value in some of these packages. So you get, name brands and really cool product. They have 3 packages, basic starting at $55 per package, the Essential starting at $85 per package, and then the Premium starting at $135 per package. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into this. I got a whole outfit here. Real quick, pair of jeans, a polo, a t-shirt, and a bathing suit. Really cool. And then a little ThreadBeast sticker as well. I'm intrigued by this bathing suit. I didn't expect that, so that's super cool. This is a Billabong bathing suit, all black, very clean. You got the little wave patch right there, the gray piping, Billabong pocket on the back with a little Velcro action. This is my size, a medium. They took all my measurements, so nice clean bathing suit for the summer. Next up is a Ralph Lauren polo, which is super cool. Very nice brand, nice color too. They obviously went with the summer theme with the bathing suit and this nice bright blue color, so this is great for work or dressing up a little bit, going out to dinner. I really like this color. Obviously the blue polo horse is in like a dark navy, kind of black. Then also says polo on the right sleeve. This is a medium as well, so this should fit me perfectly. Then there's a t-shirt here from Victory Sports, all white. Once again, another clean look for the summer. The back has the VC Sports right here, which just looks like almost like a yacht club type t-shirt. So another clean piece, size medium. Well, obviously based on the things I told them about my style, they went ahead and selected those pieces. And then right here is a pair of Fair Play Los Angeles jeans, all black. You can never go wrong with black denim right here. They do have like a cool little frayed look on the bottom, so if you're kind of going for that streetwear style, that could work. There's a little fraying in the knees as well. Overall, 4 pretty solid pieces. I will post a link in the description if you guys want to go give ThreadBeast a try. Like I said, the basic package starts right at $55. It includes 2 to 3 pieces. And then if you want to get more, you can go up from there. If you're not sure what brands suit you best, or you want to try some new brands, this is definitely worth it. They got some Diamond Supply and clothes you'd find at like PacSun and things like that. And you can select styles, whether you want, clean, crisp style, streetwear style. I went with kind of like the clean and crisp. That's why I got, the polo. Whereas if you went straight streetwear, you might get, more t-shirts and maybe like, a pair of joggers or something like that. So like I said, their whole slogan's, one less trip to the mall. So if you're someone who wants some new clothes and you don't want to go shopping for them, let ThreadBeast do it for you. Go check out ThreadBeast's website now. That link is in the description. I appreciate you guys watching. I've got like 5 or 6 new sneaker pickups on the way, so stay tuned for that video. Other than that, I am out of here. Take care. Peace.